Are you wondering where to invest your money for the best returns? Should you go for stocks, mutual funds, or traditional assets? How do you balance risk and reward for long term growth? Financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu will guide us through. Satish Prabhu, over to you.
Investment is more to do with your risk appetite. So, while I would suggest mutual funds, because mutual funds have products for all risk appetites. And I would define risk appetite by the period of your goals. So if you have a goal which is 20 years away, you need not invest in a risk-free asset. You should take some bit of risk, and say a 20-year goal, you should invest in equity as an asset class. But if you have a goal which is 1 year away, I wouldn't say that you should invest in equity. I would say that you should invest in a fixed income asset class, which is relatively, has a lower risk. So you should invest in different asset classes depending on the period, how far your goal is. So that's how I would break my investments.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.